She entered the courtroom with her fate hanging by a thread, a criminal past, a fragile mental health history, and now a new charge that could seal her future. But just when it seemed like prison was inevitable, the judge offered her a deal, a plea bargain with strict conditions, no jury, and one chilling warning: fail once and everything crashes down. Will Cynthia Cabello rise under pressure or fall back into the shadows of her past? The tension builds as the court decides her fate.
So if you see him walking down the street, you need to cross the street. Go back the other way. You understand? Court is calling 2023 CR 3139, State of Texas versus Cynthia Nicole Cabello. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Brittany Mitchell to the state.
Defense. All right, and are you Miss Cabello?
Yes.
Am I pronouncing your last name right?
Yes.
Thank you. The double L's always throw me off. Counsel, have you received all the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have them.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Cabello, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Showing you what's entitled True Bill of Indictment. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
Yes, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Well, Your Honor, there should also be, we filed a written motion to amend to add a count to criminal mischief.
Any objection?
No, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Cabello, do you understand that the state is asking that the indictment be amended to add a count 2, which is a criminal mischief count? Did you understand that?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand that's a substantive change to the indictment?
Yes.
And did you understand your attorney has 10 days to prepare for trial with that substantive change? Knowing that, do you still wish to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
And defense, do you still wish to proceed?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, then the court will sign the motion to amend the indictment. Ms. Cabello, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand you're being charged with the offense of criminal mischief, $2,500 to $30,000? Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
That's a state jail felony. The range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes.
If you have a plea bargain agreement with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes.
Did you understand by entering this plea you were giving up those rights?
Yes.
Did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked? The court could find you guilty, sentence you up to 2 years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine?
Yes.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has them.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Cabello, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter this plea?
No.
Has anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
No.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived a right to jury trial. Showing you the plea bargain page. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
According to the plea, the state is proceeding on count 2, criminal mischief. They're recommending deferred adjudication. There's to be restitution, if any, to Ernest Ramirez. No contact with Ernest Ramirez, his residence or place of employment. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes.
State?
Yes.
Showing you the waiver of appeal paragraph. Did you review that paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in both places?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the plea bargain agreement. State is requesting that your deferred adjudication be for a term of 5 years, 200 hours community service restitution, TAP evaluation, follow recommendations of TAP, and MIC referral. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, sir.
Then to count 2 of the amended indictment, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No problem.
State any evidence?
And are we up for State's Exhibit number 1 and all attachments?
No objection.
Showing you what's entitled waiver and consent to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, sir.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in the right to remain silent?
Yes, sir.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there will be no live testimony? Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence State's Exhibits 1 and attachments. State, has the complainant been contacted?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, after reviewing State's Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
If the court would allow us, yes, please.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, this is her first ever criminal offense. She was going through a very bad time. Mental health breakdown, and she's doing much better. She's compliant on her medication. She's doing very well, Judge. She's working again.
All right. Ms. Cabello, how long had you known Mr. Ramirez?
7 years.
Did you all ever live together?
No, Your Honor.
Do you all have any children together?
No, Your Honor. We had keys to each other's houses and stayed with each other, but never officially lived together. And that was for 5 years.
All right. And how old are you?
39,
And how old is he?
43.
Do you all have any property together?
No, Your Honor.
All right. And do you have a mental health diagnosis?
Yes, Your Honor. Multiple.
And what is it?
I have multiple. I've got anxiety, major depressive disorder, adjustment disorder, PTSD, personality disorder.
And are you seeing a doctor?
Yes, Your Honor. I have a weekly therapy session.
And who is your doctor?
It just changed. His name is Michael something. I'd have to check on my phone.
All right.
She's treating for the UT health system.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to 5 years deferred adjudication, restitution, if any, to Ernest Ramirez, no contact with Ernest Ramirez or his residence or employment. So if you see him walking down the street, you need to cross the street. Go back the other way. You understand?